All right. So in this Python session, we're going to be picking up with variables and variables. They are basically values that can vary, and so we can change these values within our code um, to serve different purposes as well. We can manipulate these values, put them into different things so that the code becomes even more optimized in a way where um, we don't have to keep repeating the same flat values. We can just keep changing these values. So we have an example here, which says word equals hello. Word is the variable and refers to the string, which is hello, which is inside here. So if we do word equals hello, and then if we were to do just word, it will just come up with hello. So that is the string that was stored inside this variable called word. So we are basically doing something called assigning when we're saying the variable is the same as um, the string. And so, whenever we put that variable inside a different place, it will automatically equate to the string. And so, if we also were to do here, as you can see, yeah, word by itself with quotes is just a string, so it comes out as the string. And if we also were to do sunshine, so because sunshine does not have any quotes and it's basically just characters that have not been assigned to anything, it does not exist in our code. And so it doesn't it makes an error basically. So if we go next. So we previously used the variable word for hello, and now we're going to make a variable called your name. So is your underscore, which is the symbol in between your and name. And my name is David. Oop, put that in. Don't forget to put it in the speech marks or string. And so that is now assigned. Your name, which is my name, David, is now inside the variable your name. So, oop, oops. Oh, oops, indentation error. Okay. I accidentally put a space between here. That's why that happened. So your name. Okay. So if I were to do your name now, it'll come up as David. So we can also then do another way to concatenate and put strings together like we did last time with hello, which is a string by itself, and plus your name, which is the variable we just made. So it should come up with hello David because that your name is the variable that we assign to David there, and hello is just the standalone string. So hello David. So as you can see, I did not put a space after hello like they did there. So if I were to do that now, okay, there is the space now. And we can also add variables together, like word. should be the same word as we had hello up there plus your name. Then it's hello David. So yeah, so that's what we did. Wait, so oop. Oh, I need a space in between. Okay, so to do that, I'd probably need to plus your underscore name. There we go. And now we need to we're also going to be changing the variable around again. So that's a good thing about variables. They are not one set thing. They keep changing over time as we want. So here we need to equate or assign goodbye to word. And now it no longer means hello in our code. It means goodbye now. And now we're going to write this. So it should say goodbye, David, this time. There we go. And we also have quotes around strings. Um, so if we print it out, word plus, then it just prints without the strings. So next one, writing programs. Wait, oop. So we got the program in here. So we should we have the editor, and this is the place where we can write longer programs. And it says we should type below the
Sorry,
program below into the
one minute,
editor.
David.
Yeah.
Sorry. Follow me, you got your answer.
I was stuck on this one. I
Okay.
didn't know like what to do.
All right.
But
Don't
like
worry. Uh,
now I know what the editor is. So I
okay,
couldn't
that's fine.
find it. Yeah.
David's gonna go through everything. Then
Okay.
after that, we take a pause. This video also will be there for anyone that's stuck to kind of go through as well. So, but let David go through everything. Then after that, we'll then have time to kind of help anyone that's stuck. And of course, you can also watch the video later. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just going to write it out. Okay, so this is the program that they told us to write here. So oop, so we click run, and this is the editor that we will be using going forward instead of shell down here. So um so basically all of the output that we have from the program will appear here in the shell, and this is all the input. So all you basically need to know is that all the values will be automatically displayed here. Your errors should also be displayed here. It will also tell you the what why like the error is occurring. Like for example, if I were to do just word is not defined, so that's the error. That can give you hints to how you can solve your code because I just deleted equals hello. So word doesn't essentially means nothing there and so on therefore. So we're going on. We're going to be writing this program. So we're going to be storing calculations inside variables now. There we go. So I have written out this code inside, and now it's asking which of these options will it be? If we want like a quick hands up for anybody
Can,
who knows what it
hold on.
might be.
Can they write it on the chart anyway? Can you scroll up? Right.
Yeah.
So the first one is number one, right? Sentence is number one. Number two, word plus name. Number three is that hello plus word. Number four, hello plus that plus word. Then number five, hello word. Number six is hello word in quote anyway. So please type what your answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you think one is the answer, or two, or three, or four, can you put in the chat quickly? Okay. Let's see, is the chat enabled? Yeah, okay, we can see some six. Okay. Okay, we can see there's four, there's three, there's five, there's six. Okay. Okay. Over to you, David.
Okay, I think everybody is largely correct, but I think we need to remember that we are not putting it inside shell. In fact, it's also in print. So it should be showing hello world without the quotation marks. So everyone's saying six, which is I suppose correct from what you've done previously. But I think it should be five. So yeah. So basically variables hold values, so they become a value. And because variables hold values, more variables are able to hold variables basically. So that sentence we have right here, it is holding basically two variables inside it that already like exist. So yeah. So if we add those two lines at the end of the program, yeah. So can we have more answers in the chat? One, two, three, or four. What do you think the result will be? Okay, we're getting some ones, some twos, some threes. Okay, I think I'm seeing a lot, a lot of everything really. I personally think it is going to be number 2 because, of course, previously we had hello world. That was correct. And now we have another assigned variable, which is word equals goodbye, which is the same word variable here. So when it's putting out the sentence, this is basically a reassignment. So word will still mean the same thing up here because of the order of the code. This is the first time it's been told to equal hello. When it's um when it's being assigned again into something else, it will overwrite what was ever in here and it will just equal the same assignment inside here. So therefore, when we do print sentence the second time, it should say goodbye world the second time it's printed. So if we check number 2, so number 2 is incorrect. So why could that be? Would it be goodbye world for both? Okay, someone's saying number 1. Okay, we'll try number 1. Okay, so it was number 1.
Yeah, I also think why is it number 1 actually? Right. So I think it should be number 2.
So it said now sentence has value hello world, which can be used multiple times. Note that it will continue to have its value until
Oh,
directly
okay.
reassigned.
Yeah, I get it now. Do you understand now? Because number 3, right? So that is where the assignment happens,
Yeah,
where we assign something to sentence. We did
yeah,
not
it's
change it at
reassigned right
all.
here.
We didn't reassign it at all, even though the word was reassigned. So that is why number 1 is here. Okay.
hmm So it would be a
Maureen, can
different
you
thing.
can you ensure you don't type anything? Okay.
Yeah.
Just
So
yeah.
it would be a different thing if it was more like sentence is equal to word here because word has changed. Okay, wait. If I were to do that, then do this, word has already changed. So it would be goodbye afterwards. But because it hasn't, the variable has already been stored up there. So it will remain goodbye. So let's go to the next one. So we'll also be starting loops as well. Is this a breakpoint or
Okay. Oh, 1 minute. So